Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Munich car show, and today I'm going to show you the first details of the new Dacia Jogger. Just like the name suggests, this is the car for people that have active lifestyle. And let's start with the design. So this is the car that is 4.55 meters long, the longest Dacia ever produced. And on the front we have the new styling, the Y-shaped daytime running LEDs, very cool design. The front grille is here with some chrome inserts. This is a lovely spec color actually. And let's go to the side. We have the gloss black wheels. Let me show you this. So 205/60 R16. These are the extreme limited edition wheels, gloss black finish with Continental tires. We have the robust wheel arches, extreme limited edition. So this is the special edition model. But yeah, the Jogger will be available with normal trims as well. Here we have the plastic side skirts, and as you can see, the roofline pretty straight, and that is because, of course, the main goal of this car is to be practical. You can have it with 5 or 7 seats. This is the version with 7 seats, and if we take a look at the back, you will see those vertical lights, and they are designed like this so that you can have the better access to the trunk. And I will show you the trunk right now. So there we go. This is the 7-seat layout. 565 liters if you go for the 5-seat layout, and like this you get 160 liters. But yeah, pretty practical car. And I will now close this. And let's see it from this angle. I will actually change the view. So what are your thoughts on the design? I will also show you the interior in a moment. And we have a nice ambient here. This is actually in front of the main entrance. And let's see the interior. So, you know, pretty basic, but it's actually, you know, what an average buyer of this car needs, and you know, it's the great value for money, I would say. So let's jump on board. And now here we have this sort of like the carpeting. In front of the driver there is the analog cluster with a small screen between the dials. This is the main unit, main infotainment system unit, and here you have all of the functions, media, phone, you can connect your phone, of course, vehicle settings. Here is where you adjust some of these settings, rear view camera, drive assist. This car has the active braking and the blind spot, access and park assist as well. Eco driving, some tips are here. Navigation, as you can see, we are in the middle of the lake. And yeah, this is it. So yeah, that's okay. Of course, not the fastest one, but once again, and this will be great value for money, so you can't expect you know, something crazy in terms of the digitalization and stuff like that. You can access these settings also here with this, and this is the home button. You go back to this main menu. Smartphone integration is available as well. You have the settings here for the brightness, day and night mode, devices and the system units, and the things like that. The AC controls on the switches, air blower, the temperature, AC on off, heated seats actually on this version, lock unlock, hazard lights, start stop system off, eco mode, and the passenger seat heating. And well, yeah, eco mode on, you see it there. You have the onboard computer here with some information, and that's pretty much it. I can show you the sun visors. And additional lights are here. Some storage room is located here, as well as the 12-volt power outlet, USB port, 6-speed manual, electronic parking brake, cup holders, they are not adjustable, and well, yeah, some storage room inside. Let's open the glove box as well. Okay, so there you have it. And the situation at the rear bench, nice angle of opening for the rear doors, and as you can see, a lot of possibilities here. You can do something like this with the bench. You have some additional room, and these are the seats at the back. And speaking about the engines, the new Jogger is available with two engines, so 110 horsepower petrol and also an LPG version. But the cool news is that the hybrid version is also coming, I think in 2023, and Dacia claims that this will be the cheapest hybrid on the market, so let's wait for that and see. So tell me, how do you like this practical car and also the car that has, once again, excellent value for your money?